Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of clear data on the application of Remitly app. We click on settings in this first page here. In this page we go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will search about the application of Remitly app and you will go here. Then this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again, so please don't forget to support us by liking.